Crypto was supposed to kill banks. That was the promise. Fast, borderless, decentralized money, no banks, no middlemen. But it didn't happen. Global banks now hold $95.5 trillion in assets. China and the US alone make up $81 trillion of that. Crypto only $2.64 trillion. Less than three of bank size, tiny, almost irrelevant. And the banks, they didn't panic, they adopted. JP Morgan, BNY Mellon, HSBC, State Street, they all dove into crypto custody, trading, tokenized assets, they handle it all. New US rules in 2025 made this safe, legal, and profitable. Banks still have the upper hand. Trust, compliance, government backing, they can offer FDIC insured crypto products. Pure crypto platforms, they can't. Even bigger firms like BlackRock, Fidelity, and JP Morgan are building platforms for tokenized assets. JP, Mcoin, Onyx, they capture fee, satisfy clients, and ride crypto innovation without the volatility and hacks. The result, crypto didn't replace banks. Banks use crypto to get stronger. The future isn't crypto versus bank, it's crypto banking, and right now banks are winning.